Welcome back, ice enthusiasts! Today, we're gliding into the sparkling world of figure skating to uncover 15 incredible facts that you probably didn't know. So lace up your skates and let's jump right in. Fact 1. The origins of figure skating. Figure skating dates back over 1,000 years, with its origins in the frozen canals and lakes of northern Europe. It started as a means of transportation before evolving into the artful sport we know today. Fact 2. First Winter Olympic sport. Did you know that figure skating was the first winter sport to be included in the Olympics? It made its debut in the 1908 Summer Olympics in London before the advent of the Winter Games. Fact 3. The evolution of ice skates. Early skates were made from animal bones strapped to the feet. Modern skates, with metal blades, were developed in the 13th century, dramatically changing how skaters moved on ice. Fact 4. The first triple jump. In 1978, American figure skater Terry Kubica was the first to land a triple jump in competition, revolutionizing the sport by pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible. Fact 5. Women's skating revolution. Sonja Henie, a Norwegian skater, transformed women's figure skating in the 1920s with her athleticism and grace. She was also the first to wear short skirts on the ice, a stark contrast to the long dresses worn before. Fact 6. The Zamboni. The Zamboni, invented in 1949 by Frank Zamboni, revolutionized ice maintenance, allowing for a smoother and more reliable surface for skaters. Before its invention, resurfacing the ice was a laborious manual process. Fact 7. Quadruple jumps. The quadruple jump, a staple in men's singles today, was first landed in competition by Canadian Kurt Browning in 1988. This feat requires skaters to rotate for times in the air. Fact 8. Synchronized skating. Synchronized skating, where teams of 8 to 20 skaters perform routines in unison, began in the United States in the 1950s. It combines the precision of team sports with the elegance of figure skating. Fact 9. Figure skating scoring. The scoring system in figure skating underwent a major overhaul after the 2000 Winter Olympics due to a judging scandal. The new system, the International Judging System (IJS), aims to be more objective and transparent. Fact 10. Ice dancing versus pair skating. Ice dancing and pairs skating are often confused, but they're quite distinct. Ice dancing focuses on rhythm, interpretation, and precise steps on the ice, whereas pairs skating includes high-flying jumps and lifts. Fact 11. The Biellmann spin. The Biellmann spin, a move where the skater pulls one leg up and over the head while spinning, is named after Swiss skater Denise Biellmann, who popularized it in the late 1970s.
Fact 12. Young champions. Tara Lipinski became the youngest individual gold medalist in the history of the Winter Olympic Games when she won the women's figure skating title in 1998 at just 15 years old. Fact 13. Skating to modern music. Since 2014, figure skaters in singles and pairs competitions have been allowed to skate to music with lyrics, a change aimed at modernizing the sport and attracting a wider audience. Fact 14. The Lutz and the Flip. The Lutz and the Flip are two of the most difficult jumps in figure skating, distinguished by their takeoff edges. The Lutz is launched from the outside edge, while the Flip takes off from the inside edge. Fact 15. Cultural impact. Figure skating has made significant cultural impacts, inspiring movies, books, and even video games. It's celebrated not just as a sport, but as an art form, captivating audiences worldwide. And there you glide 15 fascinating facts about the beautiful, challenging world of figure skating. Whether you're a seasoned skater or a fan of the grace and athleticism it showcases, there's always more to learn and appreciate about this icy spectacle. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your edges sharp and your spirits high.